Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 19-foot Sea Ray SPX. So great size boat for 19. It feels a lot larger than it is. Plenty of seating up front, speakers up front with your cup holders, storage underneath the front bow cushions. Walking back, we have wet storage, self-draining, large amount of side storage. Have analog dash, mount your VHF radio, get a side mount GPS if you need it. Come over here, we have a nice cockpit chair, definitely covered by the windshield, and it folds out and becomes a chaise. Still being 6 feet tall, very comfortable. Also notice the height surrounding the cockpit. It's very protected, very safe. More storage underneath the seat, and even behind the seat we have very deep storage for water toys. Ski pole, we have 150 horsepower Mercury powering this vessel, and soft sea deck, large platform, easy access, deep ladder for getting kids on and off or moving toys. This is the 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX, and it's provided by MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Come on down and see us.